Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this easy everyday makeup tutorial. So this is typically what I would do every day. It took me about, I think, all of under 15 minutes to do. Sometimes I wear eyelashes, sometimes fake eyelashes, sometimes I don't. I am today, but this is how the look came out. This might be a lot of makeup to some people, but for me, you know, since I do this every single day, it's really not. Like I said, it took me under 15 minutes, so yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new videos a week, and click that little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Okay, just gonna take a little bit of Marcel Flawless. Looks like this. And I'm gonna put that on my eyes as my eyeshadow base. Just gonna blend that out with, it's a brush from Amazon. It's gonna be a really simple look. And I'm gonna go in on my Kat Von D Shade and Light and set my eye, same brush, with that one right there. It's called Levitation. And I'm gonna take this, it's the Milani Brow Fix, looks like that. This is the medium one. I'm gonna take the bottom with just any brow brush you have. Actually, I'm gonna try this new one. This is the Revlon Color Stay. Revlon Color Stay. This is the Brow Mousse, and this is Soft Brown. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna take brow this way instead. That other stuff's not really dark enough for my, see how it's like dark? And I'm gonna take the powder one. Oh, my eyebrows look so dark now. That one definitely looks a lot better. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of my Marcel concealer, and I'm just gonna fix my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with ABH Orange Soda, and then I'm just gonna take my, it's just a fluffy blending brush by Quo. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. We're just doing a really simple look. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this color right here. Right there. Very light hand. And put that in my crease. Same brush. This one, and then concentrate it a little more on the outer V. With that same color, just grab a smaller black brush and put it under in your waterline. And then this is the Milani Everyday eye palette. I'm gonna take this color right here with any flat brush and put that on the lid. Okay, then I'm just taking Milani Supreme Kohl. It looks like this. It's just a black eyeliner. Doing my waterline with that. And then I'm taking the Milani Eye Tech. It's a liquid eyeliner. It looks like this. It's got a point. And then I'm taking Marcel Intense Volume Mascara. It looks like this. Going to do my lashes. And like my everyday look, like I don't usually wear falsies, so I won't be wearing falsies, I don't think, today, because I normally wouldn't put them on. I decided to put on fake lashes, but I just put on the Ardell Demi Wispies. Yeah, so for primer, Optical Illusion by Urban Decay. I love this primer. Foundation, we're going to use this Almade Smart Shade Anti-Aging. I want this because it has SPF, broad spectrum, and it's skin matching makeup. And plus, I wear lots of like BB creams and like when I don't feel like wearing a lot of makeup. So I'm just gonna put that on with my Real Tech and NYX. It's a dual fiber brush. Just gonna squirt some on there. And the cool thing is it matches your skin tone. Then I'm gonna take this one. This is the Revlon Photo Ready. These are new. This one is, you can see it. I'm gonna use that under my eye. It's like a salmon color. It's really good for your eyes. There we go. And then I'm gonna use a bit of the lavender one too. This one's for dullness. I'm gonna blend that out with my Real Techniques. Looks like this contour brush, but it works really good for under your eyes. Gonna set that with my Kat Von D Shade Light, these two colors right here, with my e.l.f. brush. Set the rest of my face with CC. This is a Physicians Formula. And my Real Techniques multitasker brush. I'm gonna bronze with my Butter Bronzer Physicians Formula. Real Techniques dual fiber brush. I don't really contour on these fast days, so I'm just kind of bronzing up the cheekbones. For blush, we're gonna use Milani. This is in Tea Rose with my Real Techniques blush brush. It's pretty pigmented for highlight, I'm just going to take the Master Conceal, this color, this one right here, with my Eco Tools highlight brush. Last but not least, we're going to just take this Wish Me a Rose essence. Just gonna, and then I'm going to take, this is Nude something, I can't even read it, by Liz Wachier. It's beautiful. I would have used a nude lip liner, but I really don't want to get up right now. And then I'm just going to set my face with Revlon Photo Prep and Set. And that is the finished look. Yes, that was the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new videos a week, and click that little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!